Hi folks, this is Chris from GCM PC Tech, doing a follow-up video. This is going to end up being like a part 2 of the CoolerMaster Masterbox q300p. Going to be building in this with the parts you see here. Beauty part is this is not going to need a graphics card because I will be using the Ryzen 3 2200G. Has built-in Vega 8 graphics, and so therefore won't need a graphics card. And putting that into the MSI B350M Gaming Pro. Very nice motherboard. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to borrow my daughter's processor and graphics card in order to update the BIOS in order to get it to work on this processor. But then once I get the BIOS updated, I can then take her components out, put my components in, but I will be showing that in in part 3. So to continue out the build, I'm going to be putting in 8 gigabytes of G.Skill Ripjaws 5 3200 megahertz RAM kit, and we're going to be putting in, this is something that's not necessary, but I've kind of gotten myself spoiled on having an SSD for a boot drive, but I got 120 gig ADATA SU700 SSD for the boot drive. Got a 1 terabyte Western Digital Blue 7200 RPM mechanical drive for the game storage and overall general storage, and so got that that we're working with for the storage. Go ahead and put this back in the box. And for a power supply to power it all, we are going to be going with the EVGA 450 watt 80 plus bronze certified. Nice thing about this power supply is it does not have the ketchup and mustard cables. It's got all nice black cables. Very nice sleeving to it as well. So this is a little bit more than what this computer is actually going to need, but it is nice to have a little headroom, because the reason I chose this motherboard and the components that I've got is for future upgrading. That is the nice thing about AMD with the AM4 platform. It does allow for future upgrades, because I guess next month it is, or the end of this month, sorry. End of this month they're going to be coming out with the next generation of Ryzen processors, and they will still be compatible with these, even though they're going to be coming out with the 400 series chipset motherboards. They'll still be compatible with these with BIOS updates. I already have the power supply installed in the case, so I can show off the lighting, which I will do right now. And this case comes with RGB lighting. I've got it hooked up right now with the reset switch to change everything. So I'm just going to demonstrate going through the different colors and modes. Basically, it goes color, mode, speed, color, mode, speed, and then so on and so forth through every color. So we got the breathing effect, blue solid, breathing effect, red, and breathing effect. Okay, apparently it's, thought I had a lot more. Let's see. And we got, oh, that's right. Here's the blending. This is pretty cool. Bless you. My daughter just sneezed, and hopefully it didn't get picked up too much on the camera, on the audio, but here we got cycling through the different colors. I will not be leaving it like this. I will be hooking it up to this motherboard, because the nice thing with this motherboard is it has the Mystic Light extension, and all these lights are compatible with the Mystic Light software. Back to red, and it flashes between each color now. And we're back to white at the beginning. So this, in part 3, I will be going over the actual build of the computer, since this is turning out to be a segmented series. So yeah, part 3 will be the installation and build of the entire computer, and then part 4 will be testing and thermals, just general overall performance of the computer and testing. So yeah, hopefully if you liked the video, consider subscribing. Hit the like button if you liked it. If you didn't like it, thumbs down, I guess. Kind of be mean, but oh well. I guess that's it.